I am Professor Fred Ogola. I am the leader of Linda Jamii. I'm here with my fellow members of Bunge la Wananchi, Malindi chapter. We are here to address the media on the matter where Linda Jamii has taken the United Democratic Party, Kenya Kwanza administration to court because they are violating the socio-economic rights and the fundamental rights of the freedoms of boda and mboga. So Linda Jamii has sued the Kenya Kwanza administration for using the goodwill of mboga and boda without permission for political gain. The High Court has been asked to fine Kenya Kwanza a total of 426 billion shillings, which is the worth for the goodwill of boda and mboga. Why are we reaching that figure? Boda and mboga contributes 80%. That whole sector contributes 80% of the GDP. Boda alone contributes 1 billion shillings per year to the economy. If you take annually, that is 365 billion shillings that he contributes in terms of revenue to the Kenyan economy. So we are asking the following. The court should declare that Kenya Kwanza administration, their employees and everybody else should not use the term boda and mboga without permission until this case is heard and determined. Secondly, the court should declare that Kenya Kwanza administration should be able to compensate boda and mboga a total of 426 billion shillings, which is the goodwill which they used to reach into power.
Now anyitite mi matiganite kuma sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri ni matafanite kampeni ya uthomithania bata wa ukorwo githima kana andu maikorwo magithimwo murimu wa cancer.